Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just playing around tonight, kind of came up with this design that kind of makes it look like it's round, like a donut or something, and really easy to make and kind of fun. Let's move this out of the way. Take an ellipse, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Control D to make a duplicate, and then while holding down the control button, move it just a little bit. Then take this shape right here and fill it in. Now we got a new shape. We'll delete that. We'll go ahead and put this anywhere. It doesn't really matter. Control D and make a duplicate. Hit the X, double click on the rotation, and let's rotate it 10 degrees. And then Control D all the way around. Now what we need to do is left click fill, right click outline, and group it together. Control G and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take an ellipse, another ellipse, and hit P. And kind of, you don't really know what it's going to look like, but anyway, we're going to take this and go right here, back minus the front, and you get that. All these are sealed up. They're actually lines that are sealed. Now let's take this and Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way. This one's going to look quite a bit different than my other one. Grab them both and weld them. Look at that. My diamonds are a lot bigger this time. I'm going to go ahead and fill them in with white and take away the outline. We won't really see what's going on until we hit P and put a black box on it. I just like black. It really makes white show up. Backup page, look at that. Now, you could change some things and make the circle right in there, but you really never know till you duplicate it. So on this one, I evidently had tighter. I still had the 10. I really don't know why that came out that much different, but you've got all these diamond shapes, and they kind of look like they're falling away. Let's even play with it a little bit more. Let's take the interactive fill tool and kind of go here, but then go right here to the elliptical and put it in the center. And then come out and then make this black. And then slide it up here. And it really, when we take that away, it really looks like it's kind of like fading away into the darkness. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.